Hello, my name is Dr. Dondee Nettles, and I've got another question that I keep getting asked over and over. And so I'm assuming you're getting asked the same question. And that question is, what does upregulating my GLP-1 hormone by 140% even mean? Well, the answer is quite simple. There is a hormone called GLP-1. It's produced naturally by your body in several places, actually, in your brainstem, in your stomach, in your pancreas, and in your intestines. And that whole communication cycle called your gut brain axis is literally your entire relationship with food. But it's orchestrated, kind of think of it like the conductor of the orchestra. It is orchestrated by the GLP-1 hormone. So, what does upregulating your GLP-1 hormone by 140% mean? It means you are 140% closer to having a normal relationship with food before, or than you are now, than before you started this MB system, the MB core and the MB enhanced. So as your body gets used to the normal nature of food, in other words, when you're hungry, you eat. When your blood sugar drops, you get a hunger signal to eat. When you eat food. It goes into your stomach, stretches your stomach, tells the intestines there's food coming. The intestines talk to the pancreas saying they're going to need some insulin to break down that food that is up there in the stomach. It's heading our way. Give us some insulin. And then when you've taken your last bite and it stretches the stomach just ever so much that you are now full, the stomach sends a signal to the brain, stop the hunger signal. And your blood sugar is going to normalize because insulin is bringing it into the cells, which is glucose, bringing glucose into the cells, which is the fuel your muscles need, which is why you have a relationship with food in the first place. Well, most people that are visually stimulated to eat or emotionally stimulated to eat, or they see something on TV and they order a pizza because they saw a commercial about a pizza and they're not even really hungry, but they've got the Uber Eats app and they might as well take advantage of it. Or they're just driving down and they say, oh, there's a fast food restaurant. I think I'm hungry. I'll go in. But they weren't thinking about food. They weren't hungry. They were visually stimulated. That's very, very common. Well, as your body starts to return back to its normal relationship with food, blood sugar drops, you get hungry, you eat, blood sugar rises, you're satiated. That's normal. And when your body increases its normal production of the GLP-1 hormone by 140%, thank you to the MB system, you are well on your way to returning to a normal relationship with food, stopping the cravings, stopping the food noise, stopping the seconds, stopping the excessive eating, and having a normal, healthy, nutritional based, because your cells need it, relationship with food. And increasing your GLP-1 hormone by 140% is how you get there. So it's normal. It's increasing the control mechanism for the entire relationship with food. That's what it means to upregulate your GLP-1 hormone by 140%, and why you should care about it, why you should be telling everybody about it that needs to have a normal, healthy relationship with food, whether they're carrying around an extra few vanity pounds or an extra 100 pounds that is making them much more predisposed to unhealthy diseases, or it's just somebody you care about that you see snacking or doesn't have good nutritional habits. Anybody can benefit from a more optimal relationship with their GLP-1 hormone. So start now. Share this information with them. I hope this went a long way to answering your question, because your GLP-1 hormone is very, very amazing and you need it working optimally. And with the mind-body system, it does. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Take care and God bless.